Today is September 1st and it's 12:42 p.m. Eastern Time. And this is the weekly chart for AMC Entertainment, ticker symbol AMC. And as of the time of this recording, price is currently trading at $45.24. And it's currently down for the session of $1.90. So looking at this chart, at this weekly level, I did draw up this pennant formation. So based on the top of the body, not the wick, but the body of this candlestick, and same here, I used the bottom of this candle, and based on the angles, I have it as resistance, and going up, I have it as support. Now, before May of this year, before this huge breakout to 72.62, I did identify this, from my perspective, I did identify 1205 was the last support resistance level. So based on this weekly candlestick and what I'm seeing here based on this chart, I did identify the most local or nearest support resistance level to be 5205. Right here, not including these two, because right here price was supported. It held price up here for about 3 weeks before ultimately failing and coming down to this support level here. And the local support level that I'm seeing for this time frame is 30.35. Right, so there's a connection point here between the purple support and this blue horizontal support. So it didn't touch on these two, but it pierced it, but supported it. So this is my rationale for these 2 points here. The third point I did identify for this time is 37.55. And from my perspective, I think this is where the most, this is very significant, because I think this is where the bulls and the bears are really duking it out, whether price should go higher or lower, right? So ultimately, the bears won over here, so it pushed up, but it was rejected based on this diagonal line here. So I'm just going to toggle down to the daily time frame. So here, this is, again, the dotted line is where I think most of the action occurred. So I think this is when retail really punished those hedge funds. But since then, I guess, I don't know why momentum just waned. It didn't go much higher with so much conviction behind this this time period here. It just like faded out and then started falling right back down. But in any case, as price leads towards its apex, which is approximately September 27th, price is going to either continually ride along this support, keep retesting it until it punches through, or will gradually come right back down, be supported over here. But so bullish would be a breakout, right? The neutral would be that, you know, this is a non-factor, and that price just continues ranging in this area. But the worst case scenario, which I think is the most telling, is that because again, after pushing so much higher, price couldn't get above it, right? So this level I think is going to hold for the near future, at least up until October, November. So with that, I'm speculating, again, this is all my opinion, I'm speculating that price is going to come down and ultimately fail as it gets towards the apex. I think price is going to start coming down and retest the 30-35 level. Here I think price is going to continue ranging between 30.35 and 37.55. And then if this does occur, I feel that more attention and more energy will be stored for an eventual break towards the upside, maybe mid-November or sometime towards the end of the year, or maybe Q1 of 2022. So that is my thesis or theory. So I don't own any AMC. I don't have a position in AMC. I am totally, I've tuned myself out from all media regarding this security because I just want to keep an open mind regarding this asset. But from what I'm looking at, and if this is still a valid formation here with the support resistance, I believe that there's going to be less interest as the months proceed, as the days proceed, and that prices will ultimately come back down to the 30-35 level, and then just drag out for the next 2-3 months. So if when something else changes, like if there's a major push up, then I'm wrong. But again, I'm more biased towards the downside based on what I'm seeing. But the market does what the market does. It's more random than anything. So it could break out. It could shoot up, to over, to retest up here to 72. So, but only time will tell. Until then, more to follow.